Well, Dustin, live captions are garbage. I'm gonna throw some big words at it and we will see what happens. Pikachu. So you're looking for ways to make your Zoom meetings more accessible, inclusive, and effective, and you've heard that live transcripts are the way to go. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do those for free in just 2 easy steps in this video. My name's Dustin Bakkie, and welcome to the High Impact Teaching Lab. Let's dive straight into how to do this. So enabling live transcriptions is a really easy way to take your Zoom meetings to the next level. And so the first thing we're going to want to do in step number 1 is log into your online Zoom portal account. And so you're going to go into here to your account management area. And what you're going to do is over on the left hand side, you're going to look for settings. Click into settings, and now you will see that there are some options here. You could scroll down, but really we need to get to this in meeting advanced. And if you click here, there are 2 settings we need to make sure are activated. And this first one is this closed captioning area right here. And make sure both of these buttons are checked and that this one is nice and blue over on the side. Second, you can save captions and have this enabled here. This allows participants to export transcripts if they want. If you want to be the only one who does this, you can turn this off and just make that available only to you. But we need to make sure at least this top one is enabled, maybe this bottom. Now that these are enabled, I'll see you in Zoom. Okay, gang's all here. So let's go ahead and look at exactly how we now enable these transcripts within Zoom. So as the host, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come right down somewhere over here, and I'm going to see that there's this CC live transcript option. I'm going to click it, and now there's a few things that you can do in there. You could assign some poor soul to quickly type it all out, or you will try, not always a great option. You could use a third-party service to do closed captioning, and this is most often Otter.ai. However, Otter.ai has paired up with Zoom. And what that means is the live transcripts right below it, enable auto transcription right here, is actually Otter.ai. So if you click it, and you will see down here at the very bottom, it's auto transcripting what I say. Now you can see that it has some errors here and there, but there's a couple of things that I want to show you here before we really put it to the test. So if you come back here to your little arrow and you click up, you can manage your subtitle settings. And so here, I want to do a nice large subtitle. You can see that depending on the contrast of the person down below, it can be kind of funky. So I'm gonna make them nice and large so that we can see them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin my video so that everyone is there. If I wanted to make it this view for everyone, what I'd do is I'd spotlight myself for everyone. And so I'm just going to continue doing that. Okay, you might have noticed that in this arrow, there was something else called a view full transcript. And stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly what that is because it's a really powerful way to create transcripts from your Zoom meeting. Before we check that out, we are going to put this live captioning service to the test. You might be saying, well, Dustin, live captions are garbage. They are horribly inaccurate. Well, let's find out. I'm going to throw some big words at it and we will see what happens. Notorious. Hogwarts. Pikachu. Biomechanics. I didn't think he was going to get that one. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. If that's part of your regular vocabulary, it's not gonna work. Let's see how smart this robot is. Zoom captioning sucks. Oh, it did it. It didn't change the word. It didn't change the word. So it looks like Zoom captioning doesn't suck. It's actually doing a pretty darn good job of transcripting exactly what I'm saying and doing it pretty accurately. Otter is known for being one of the most accurate services on the web, so you can rest assured that while it's not going to be perfect, it's going to do a pretty darn good job. Listen, if you are finding this helpful, I would love it if you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, and maybe share it with one of your friends. That goes a long way to helping me out as a content creator and keeping more of these videos coming at you. Okay, the last thing that I promised I'd show you is if you come down here to your little arrow under the live transcripts, view full transcript. Now what you can see is on the side here, it's creating a full transcript as you go. So you can actually do a couple of things from here. So you can see that it's coming across the screen and it's coming up on the side. Now, this is something that the users are able to do. So for me, the host, I am seeing this on screen. However, if I look over here at my phone, I am not actually seeing that live sidebar. So I would have to go on my profile on the phone to enable it that way. So it might be something you need to teach your users how to do. However, what you can do here is save your transcript. At the end of the meeting, click Save Transcript, and then Show in Folder. And what you have is a text transcript of your entire meeting. So really powerful tool. Let me know if you're using this or if you intend to use it. Pikachu. I got it. Thanks for sticking around through all that. I've got a couple of videos up on the screen that I think you might like. We'll see you next time.